Hi, I'm Diana Sutherland, and today we're going to go ahead and learn how to make a bow. I love working with bows and putting them on wreaths, and so I know a lot of people don't think they can make a bow, but you can. So trust me, I'm going to start. And first, the very first thing you do is make your loop. And I'm using a one-sided ribbon today, so it's a little more challenging than when the color's on both sides. But you do a twist, and you bring the ribbon around, and you twist it, and each time you want to twist, and you want to put it under your thumb and forefinger. And as you do this each time, you're going to also go ahead and make sure that your loop's just a little bit larger each time. And if the roll of ribbon falls off, it's typical for me. So. Make sure you keep it tight. And I usually do about 3 yards of ribbon because you want your bow full. And I usually like to do at least 6 loops per side. This one may be a little sloppier, but we're going to see how it turns out. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it looks like I need one more loop. And there goes the ribbon. And I never cut the ribbon off ahead of time, just in case you want to make a bigger bow. Okay, so I have 6 on each side. And now the next key that you want to make sure that you do well is to cut a long enough piece of wire, not only to wrap around your bow, but also to wrap around the wreath itself. Make sure you have good pliers or cutters. I'm going to turn it upside down. You'll see that I'm pulling the wire tight. And then you're going to twist the wire and keep twisting it as tight as you can. Otherwise your ribbon will slip. So now we're going to fluff the bow, because this is the main part. And you might move it around a little bit. That's why you want to make sure it's tight, so you get the fullness you want. And you'll probably do a little bit more adjustment to it once you get it on the wreath itself or in one of your other decorations. You notice I left a streamer, so I'm going to make sure I've got another streamer here. So I'm going to cut at an angle. You can either cut them at an angle, or some people like to fold them and do a cut where they're in a V. And so you can do it either way you want. But now you have a nice bow to put on a wreath.